let me show you how to use Gemini AI for summarizing. Whether you're trying to summarize an article, an email, or even a project to get a better understanding in a brief way, let me show you how you can use Gemini AI for it. For example, if you're trying to summarize a particular article that you want to read, you can provide the article first of all, and then you can add in a prompt. This way, whatever you're trying to summarize, provide it in brief as well as in easy to read points. So similar to an article, if you're trying to summarize any sort of projects or case studies, you can follow the same process. So that's basically it on the way that you use Gemini AI for summarizing. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next one.